Right now, Bitcoin is the largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization and generally a good indicator of the crypto market since other coins like Ether tend to follow its trends. Even though Bitcoin recently set a new all-time high, its normal uptick has been average at best ever since. That's because the focus has been shifting elsewhere. As the launch of non-fungible token collections flood crypto headlines, there is a meme coin war afoot, one that People's Crypto aka Dogecoin has been losing. But the bigger question is, what is Dogecoin losing to? Hello, I'm Cyrus and welcome to Crypto Unfiltered, and this week we're going to talk about the force that is Shiba Inu, the explosive popularity of NFTs and more. So sit back, saddle up as we breeze through yet another happening week in the crypto world. Now, we have talked about meme coins and their existence in this show previously, but to run you a quick recap, meme coins are cryptocurrency tokens associated with an internet joke, and Shiba Inu is one of those popular meme coins in existence, the other being Dogecoin. अब जहां डोज के बारे में ज्यादा चर्चा इलॉन मस्क और मार्क क्यूबन करते हुए आए हैं, शिबा इनु डोज की परछाई में रहते रहते इतना बड़ा हो गया है कि उसकी मार्केट कैप अब डोज से भी ज्यादा हो गई है. In 2020, an anonymous individual or group named Ryoshi created Shiba Inu on the Ethereum blockchain as an experiment in full decentralized community building. Similar to Dogecoin, Shiba Inu can be purchased on crypto exchanges. It has more use case in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. But because meme coins don't quite hold a lot of actual worth, investors often beg the question, are they worth investing big on? Meme coins may not be worth much in value, but those who've gambled early on the right ones have turned millionaires in a matter of weeks. However, you definitely do need to exercise caution before breaking an FD and going gung-ho. Whistleblower Edward Snowden recently warned people to be careful when investing in Shiba Inu. The ex-National Security Agency consultant cautioned all his followers to be careful before tossing all their eggs in the same basket that claims to get everyone rich. So what is the driving force behind the rise of Shiba Inu? Despite being a Doge clone, how has the coin managed to skyrocket in prominence while other similarly inspired dog coins failed to make a mark?
The rise in the popularity of the Shiba Inu token has taken everybody by surprise. I am one of them. However, as is the case with any asset, the reason that it generates interest or increases or decreases in price and volume cannot be found just on one factor. So for instance, if we look at the utility of the Shiba Inu token, there really isn't any or much that I am aware of. Having said that, in the world of cryptocurrency, in the world of blockchain, in the world of Web3, in Generation Z or whatever we are undergoing, there are other factors. I think the single largest factor which a lot of us may be overlooking is the power of community. So, if the people behind Shiba Inu have managed to generate a lot of community interest, have managed to get a lot of community participation and sense of ownership, I think that would largely explain the interest in it, the price movement in it, and the fact that a lot of people who thought that, hey, you know what, it's a flash in the pan and it'll disappear, well, it hasn't happened yet. So I continue to not invest personally in that because I just don't get the use case, but I can see that the community is really strong about it.
A little while ago, Ether, which is the second largest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin in terms of its valuation, attained an all-time high and reached the value of $4,500. That's approximately 3.34 lakh. This significant growth in Ether value seems to be driven by the boom in the NFT market. Since NFTs are built and supported on the Ethereum blockchain, the more they trade, the more Ether and other Ethereum-based cryptocurrencies gain value. हाल ही में अंतरराष्ट्रीय और बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटीज भी NFT में काफी दिलचस्पी दिखाते हुए नजर आए हैं। बॉलीवुड के शहंशाह अमिताभ बच्चन की NFT ने दिवाली में रिकॉर्ड तोड़ते हुए पूरे 7.18 करोड़ की कलेक्शन की। अब बिग बी की NFT है भाई, ये तो होना ही था। We can expect Ether and other Ethereum-based altcoins like Binance Coin are likely to beef up in values given the fact that the NFT market surged to the valuation of $2.5 billion. That's roughly 18,560 crores in sales so far this year, up from just $13.7 million, that is 101.7 crores in the first half of 2020. Moreover, with the concept of metaverse catching up among tech firms like Microsoft and Meta, formerly known as Facebook, the NFT marketplace is expected to take a leap. The more NFT blossoms, the more value it would add to Ethereum. As for now, the growth seems linear for Ethereum, especially with the NFT trend clearly making strides in the crypto space. Well, clearly Ether is riding on gain wagon after it created a new all-time high. But what else has been going on in the world of cryptocurrency and how is it affecting the market? Bitcoin, the oldest cryptocurrency, managed to maintain its value after hitting an all-time high. It saw some slippage but quickly arrested downwards movement. Other mainstream cryptocurrencies like Cardano, Ripple, Uniswap, Litecoin and Polkadot, among others, have been witnessing only marginal fluctuations in their values. However, meme-based dog coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Kishu Inu, among others, registered significant losses after seeing a rise, as is often the case. Elon Musk-based Dogecoin found itself become the 11th biggest cryptocurrency coin by market value towards the end of October. Another interesting thing that happened in the crypto space recently is when a newly launched crypto token based on a record-breaking Netflix series dipped by 99.9% in value after registering a 23,000% gain. You got it right. We're talking about the Squid token based on the South Korean survival drama series Squid Game. Barely a month after a website and white paper, the play to earn cryptocurrency was launched in October. Its website went defunct and its value dropped by 99.9% in the first week of November. This rose suspicion of a classic rug pull incident where the scammers dupe investors. The anonymous creator of this crypto token has vanished with an estimate amount of over $3 million and an investigation in the case has been launched. Even before the case had surfaced, several crypto enthusiasts had raised warnings against the Squid token on Twitter to call this project a scam. The instinct had propagated because Squid tokens were only available for purchasing but could not have been sold. Industry experts have warned quick crypto investors seeking the next moonshot about not being reckless in pouring their money in new and suspicious tokens. If you're investing in crypto, then this is an important segment for you. Right now, if we look at our crypto tracker for the week, we can see that Bitcoin is down by 0.06%, while Ethereum is gaining momentum and has risen by 1.76%. Cardano has also seen a rise by 0.95%, while Doge has suffered a 0.82% drop. Yeah, it looks a bit chaotic right now, but it's pretty clear that there is an overall picture emerging that looks much more better than what it is. The coming weeks are going to decide the fate of crypto in India, as the Indian government still has to decide whether to regulate it or not. That's it for Crypto Unfiltered this week. If you have any questions, do send them across to our Facebook or Twitter pages and we'll have an expert answer them for you. This is Cyrus John signing off with a promise that I'll be back with more Crypto Gyan next week. See you soon.